Despite rain lashing all parts of Andhra Pradesh, Jagan Mohan Reddy decided to go ahead with his party's meeting in Hyderabad today in support of a united Andhra Pradesh. The meeting, in fact, has witnessed a huge turnout, as you can see from the pictures on your screen. Special trains and buses were booked to bring people from all parts of the state for this meeting. That's the first such gathering by a political party in Hyderabad on the issue of the state's bifurcation, and also Jagan Mohan Reddy's first such public meeting after coming out of jail on bail.
We are here at the Lal Bahadur Stadium in Hyderabad, where for Jagan Mohan Reddy's Samaikya Andhra Shankaravam meeting, huge numbers of people have gathered. As you can see, the stadium, in fact, which has a capacity of about 30,000 just in the stands, and overall about 1 lakh, is filled to the brim. Even on top of the stadium, there are people who have climbed there and tried to get there. There had been some doubt about whether Jagan Mohan Reddy would be able to gather the numbers, considering that for the last 5 days there has been non-stop incessant rainfall in several districts of Andhra Pradesh. In fact, 16 districts of Andhra Pradesh have been badly affected. In fact, the national highway from Hyderabad to Vijayawada has been breached at several locations, because of which traffic was not moving. But huge numbers of vehicles, buses, public transport buses, as well as trains, in fact, had been hired by the YSR Congress party in order to make this into a show of strength. Jagan Mohan Reddy himself was reluctant to call off this meeting because he felt that the emotions of the people of Andhra Pradesh who are supporting that the state should remain united should need to be conveyed even at this time when the state is passing through a crisis because of the incessant rains. Just a short while ago, we saw a pro-Telangana supporter, some of them who have infiltrated into the crowds, raising pro-Telangana slogans being carried away by the police. So, in a sense, it's a tense situation because some of the pro-Telangana groups had said that they are going to protest and they are going to not allow this meeting to happen. Of course, K. Chandrasekhar Rao had made it clear yesterday that he believes that the constitutional process for formation is on and he doesn't really care what kind of numbers gather here.
Well, time for